Hey everyone! The holidays are here, and let's be honest, we've all been there, scrambling for last-minute gifts. Don't worry, I've got your back. Today, I'm sharing 10 amazing gift ideas under €20 that are affordable, thoughtful, and guaranteed to impress. Whether you're shopping for family, friends, or coworkers, you'll find something here. Let's dive in. Idea 1, Gourmet Hot Chocolate Mix. First up, a gourmet hot chocolate mix. Who doesn't love a cozy cup of cocoa during the holidays? You can buy a pre-made mix or create your own in a mason jar. Add marshmallows, a cute ribbon, and voila, the perfect winter treat. Idea 2, Scented Candles. Next, scented candles. They're always a hit. Choose festive scents like cinnamon, vanilla, or pine to bring holiday vibes into any home. You can find high-quality candles for under €20 at local stores or online. Idea 3, Phone Accessories. For the tech lovers, phone accessories are a lifesaver. A stylish phone stand, a fun pop socket, or even a portable USB charger makes for a practical and thoughtful gift. Idea 4, DIY Spa Kit. Who doesn't need a little self-care? Put together a DIY spa kit with face masks, bath salts, and a cozy towel. You can customize it for under €20 and make someone's day extra relaxing. Idea 5, Personalized Keychains. Personalized keychains are small but meaningful gifts. You can get them engraved with names or initials, making them a perfect pick for coworkers or friends. Check Etsy or local craft stores for affordable options. Idea 6, Mini Board Games. For the game lovers, mini board games are a great idea. They're compact, fun, and perfect for family game nights. Look for classics like Uno, Jenga, or travel-sized versions of popular games. Idea 7, Cozy Mugs. You can never go wrong with a cozy mug. Pair it with some hot cocoa packets or tea bags, and you've got a thoughtful gift anyone will appreciate. Idea 8, DIY Photo Frame. A DIY photo frame adds a personal touch to your gift. Print a memorable photo, add it to a stylish frame, and you've got a heartwarming present that's perfect for friends and family. Idea 9, Gourmet Snacks. Gourmet snacks are always a crowd pleaser. Create a little snack basket with cookies, chocolates, or festive treats. Perfect for someone with a sweet tooth. Idea 10, Adult Coloring Books. Last but not least, adult coloring books. They're relaxing, creative, and a fun way to de-stress after the holidays. Pair it with some colored pencils, and you're good to go. So there you have it, 10 awesome last-minute gift ideas under €20. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more holiday tips. Happy gifting and happy holidays!